Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. In our previous lecture, we have studied about how to disable or hide menu when developer mode is off and when it is activated, the menu is shown in our custom module for Odoo 19. In today's lecture, we will be studying about how to reload the page without manual reload, which means in some cases, your function may need a reload of the page. For example, we simply here need to refresh the page, right? But what if in some cases, mainly in the settings, when you go to the settings and suppose I choose any of the, and when I click on save, you can see the page is getting refreshed automatically. Why? Because there is a function added on the save function. So how can we implement such functionality in Odoo 19 for our custom module? Let's see. First, let's go to the library management module. Here, as you can see, I have all the records as books. Now what I'll do, when a person clicks on the lost button, I will add automatic reload instead of manual reload of the page. So in order to do that, all we need to do is go to the code, go to the library book model, and in the model here, as you can see, it is our button. Here at last, you can simply add return, then curly bracket. Here you need to add two parameters. First is the type colon ir.actions.client, comma, then add another attribute known as tag, colon, will be reload. That's pretty much it. What I have done, I have simply added a return. In this return, what I'll do, I will reload the particular page. In order to do that, we added type and tag. Type is equals to ir.actions.client and tag is equals to reload. Now I will simply restart my server, go to the apps, upgrade my module, go to the library management, and I'll open any of the record, and when I click on lost, see, page is getting automatically reloaded, while if I click on draft, it is getting changed without reloading the page. So in some cases, you may need the functionality of reload the page automatically instead of manually. In that case, you can use such functionality. So in order to summarize today's lecture, let's see. In order to create automatic reload, all you need to do is add a return to your particular function and add type is equals to ir.actions.client and tag as reload. It is very simple. Then restart your server and upgrade your module. Your functionality will be working. I hope today's topic had been understood by you. If there are any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Till then, thanks for watching.